Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact username and any email or phone tied to the Roblox account. This is critical because recovery matches those fields. Once done, collect purchase receipts and the last used device info to prove ownership and open your registered email to watch for codes. Make sure you also prepare a valid ID or parent authorization if the account is underage, because Roblox support will ask for evidence to verify identity before proceeding. You now create the support ticket. Choose the correct category like account hacked and fill every field accurately because incomplete forms delay recovery. Describe a concise timeline. When you lost access, what changed, and which devices you used, then include proof of purchase and screenshots. Once uploaded, reference any case number and follow-ups and check email filters for replies. Make sure to respond quickly to any Roblox request for more information to keep the process moving. Once Roblox confirms ownership, you'll reset the password and immediately enable two-step verification to prevent repeat access issues. Make sure to review your security settings. Remove unfamiliar devices, change the linked email if it's compromised, and revoke active sessions. If recovery stalls or you receive a denial, gather additional proof, more receipts, IP logs, or ID copies, and resubmit or escalate the appeal. One troubleshooting tip: if automated replies stall, reply with new evidence and request manual review to force human attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.